Simply the Best, the wonderful Tina Turner anthem that is very close to my heart because it's a song that's played when the team comes out at Ibrox, and that's Glasgow Rangers, of course, but we're not here to talk about that today. What we're here to talk about is who is simply the best person in your life today. The very first person you just thought of when I said that. Who is it? And why are they the best person in your life? And more importantly, have you told them? And I don't mean you just saying, you're the best, and then moving on, but articulating it to say, you know what? You are genuinely simply the best for me at this point in my life. And I'm going to tell you why. You do this, you do that. You're always doing this. You never do that. You would never even consider doing that. I feel this way when I'm with you, and I don't feel this way when I'm with you. You know, there's ability to be able to articulate yourself. And this takes some introspection. It takes some thought to be able to do that. But if you consider who's the best person in your life right now, why that is, you can write it down if you need, and then make a point of telling that person, even if it's over text or a voice note or a video note. If you feel a wee bit awkward saying it in person is always the best. But when you start to say that stuff to someone, makes you feel better, makes the other person feel better, and you get an opportunity to really promote desirable behaviours. Simply the best, folks.